Working from home in Kenya has become one of the most practical ways to earn a stable income in today's digital world. Many people are now choosing to work online instead of relying only on traditional office jobs. This shift has been made possible by better internet access, affordable smartphones, and the rise of global online job opportunities. You no longer need to live in a big city or have a high-level degree to start earning. What you need is the right mindset, a useful skill, and the willingness to learn and stay consistent. In the past, working from home sounded like something only a few people could do. Today, it is open to anyone who is ready to take action. Students, stay-at-home parents, graduates, and even employed people looking for extra income are all taking advantage of online work. In Kenya, mobile money services such as M-Pesa have made it easy to receive payments from both local and international clients. This means you can work for someone in another country and still get paid easily while staying at home. The idea of earning a full-time income online is not about getting rich quickly. It is about building a skill, finding clients or opportunities, and growing step by step. Many people who are successful today started with very little. Some began with just a smartphone and slowly invested in better tools as they earned more. What matters most is starting and staying consistent, even when results are slow in the beginning. There are many ways to work from home in Kenya. One of the most popular options is freelance writing. This involves writing articles, blog posts, website content, or even social media posts for clients. If you enjoy writing and can communicate clearly in English, this can be a good starting point. Many beginners start earning between 20,000 Kenyan shillings and 50,000 Kenyan shillings per month. With experience, this can grow to over 100,000 Kenyan shillings or more. Another common option is becoming a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant helps businesses with simple tasks such as replying to emails, scheduling meetings, managing calendars, and doing research. This job does not always require advanced skills, but it needs good organization and communication. Many virtual assistants in Kenya earn between 40,000 Kenyan shillings and 120,000 Kenyan shillings per month, depending on their experience and clients. Online tutoring is also growing quickly. If you are good at a subject such as English, mathematics, or science, you can teach students from other countries. Some platforms allow you to teach English to non-native speakers, and you can work flexible hours. This is especially good if you prefer working in the evenings or weekends. Tutors can earn anywhere from 50,000 Kenyan shillings to over 200,000 Kenyan shillings monthly. Social media management is another strong opportunity. Many businesses need help managing their online presence. This includes creating posts, replying to comments, and running advertisements. If you understand platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, you can turn that knowledge into income. Social media managers can earn between 50,000 Kenyan shillings and 150,000 Kenyan shillings or more each month. Graphic design is also in high demand. Businesses need logos, posters, banners, and social media graphics. With tools like Canva or more advanced software, you can create designs even as a beginner. As your skills improve, you can charge higher rates. Many designers earn from 60,000 Kenyan shillings to over 300,000 Kenyan shillings monthly. For those interested in technology, software development is one of the highest-paying remote jobs. This involves building websites, mobile apps, or software systems. It requires learning programming languages, but the rewards are high. Skilled developers can earn from 100,000 Kenyan shillings to over 500,000 Kenyan shillings per month. A newer opportunity that is growing fast is working in artificial intelligence tasks such as data annotation. This involves labeling images, text, or audio to help train machine learning systems. It may sound technical, but many tasks are simple and require basic training. These jobs can pay between 50,000 Kenyan shillings and 150,000 Kenyan shillings monthly. Starting your journey to working from home requires a few important steps. First, you need the right equipment. A laptop is highly recommended, though some tasks can be done on a smartphone. You also need stable internet, which may cost between 1,500 Kenyan shillings and 3,000 Kenyan shillings per month. A headset can also help if your work involves communication. The next step is choosing one skill. It is important not to try everything at once. Focus on one area and build your expertise. For example, if you choose writing, spend time learning how to write clearly and professionally. If you choose graphic design, practice creating designs daily. Mastery comes from repetition and learning. After choosing your skill, create professional profiles on online platforms. These platforms connect freelancers with clients. Your profile should clearly explain what you do and how you can help clients. Include samples of your work, even if they are self-created. A strong profile increases your chances of getting hired. Building a portfolio is very important. Clients want to see what you can do before they hire you. If you do not have previous work, create your own samples. For example, if you are a writer, write a few articles on topics you enjoy. If you are a designer, create sample logos or posters. This shows your ability and builds trust. Applying for jobs is the next step. This requires patience. You may need to send many applications before getting your first client. Some people get their first job in 1 week, while others take a month or more. The key is to keep applying and improving your proposals. Once you get a job, focus on delivering high-quality work. Good work leads to good reviews, and good reviews attract more clients. Over time, you can increase your rates and work with better clients. Consistency and professionalism are what turn part-time work into full-time income. Earnings from working at home vary depending on experience and effort. Beginners may start with lower earnings, but this grows with time. Intermediate workers who have some experience can earn between 50,000 Kenyan shillings and 100,000 Kenyan shillings monthly. Advanced professionals can earn between 100,000 Kenyan shillings and 250,000 Kenyan shillings. Experts with strong skills and long-term clients can earn over 500,000 Kenyan shillings monthly. While working from home has many benefits, it also comes with challenges. One of the biggest challenges is avoiding scams. Some fake opportunities promise quick money, but require you to pay upfront fees. Legitimate jobs do not ask for payment before you start working. Always research any opportunity before committing. Another challenge is staying disciplined. When working from home, there is no boss watching you. You need to manage your time and stay focused. Creating a daily schedule can help you stay productive. Set clear working hours and avoid distractions. It is also important to keep learning. The online world changes quickly, and new skills are always in demand. Taking online courses, watching tutorials and practicing regularly will help you stay competitive. The more you learn, the more opportunities you can access. Working with international clients can also increase your income. Clients from countries with stronger currencies often pay higher rates. This means you can earn more for the same work. However, you need to communicate clearly and deliver quality work to maintain these clients. Building long-term relationships with clients is one of the best ways to secure steady income. Instead of constantly searching for new jobs, you can work with the same clients for months or even years. This provides stability and allows you to grow your income over time. Tracking your income is also important. As you earn more, you may need to manage your finances better and understand tax requirements. Keeping records of your earnings helps you stay organized and plan for the future. Working from home in Kenya is not just about making money. It is also about creating freedom. You can work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and choose the type of work you enjoy. This flexibility allows you to balance work with personal life. The journey may not be easy at the beginning, but it is worth it. Many people who are now earning full-time income online started with doubts and challenges. What made the difference was persistence. They kept learning, kept applying, and kept improving. If you are serious about working from home, start today. Choose one skill, learn it well, and take small steps every day. Do not wait for the perfect moment because it may never come. Progress is made by taking action, even when you feel unsure. In the end, working from home in Kenya is a real and achievable goal. With the right approach, you can build a stable income and even grow beyond what a traditional job can offer. The opportunities are there, and they are growing every day. What matters most is your willingness to start and keep going until you succeed.